Hi guys, I'm Kate from The Creative Tangent, formerly known as Create and Craft. I'm here for Ideal Home Show to show you the beginner basics of crochet. So, first of all, to get your wool on your hook, this is how we do the knot. So, I get my finger out, I pull it over once, I pull it over twice, and then I put it in front of the other and pull this all the way round. Perfect. Then I'm going to grab my hook, I'm going to pop it in like so, and then I'm going to tighten it up. Next up is how we hold our hook. So we're going to put it in our hands and pull it down like so and hold it like this. So that's putting it in, holding it tight and pulling it down, and then I'm grabbing my tail like this, like this, like this. So to chain, which is basically how you start off anything with crochet, is I'm going to pull my yarn over and I'm going to pull it through the hole. Yarn over and I'm going to wiggle it through. This is me chaining. Yarn over, pull down. Yarn over, pull down. Yarn over, pull down. And then I'm going to keep moving this hand up to stay as close to the hook as I can. So yarn over, pull down. Yarn over, pull down, yarn over, pull down. Next up, I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. We're just putting our hook, pull it through, and then yarn over and pull through. So what I've done there is I've gone through a stitch, which is a V. I've pushed my hook through, I've pulled it through, yarn over, pull through too. We're going to ignore this here. This isn't a stitch. We go into our next stitch, which is our next V. I'm going to pull it through, yarn over, pull through too. Go through, pull it through, yarn over, go through too. Into my next stitch, pull it through and pull through too. So that was how to do a single. And then to finish off this quick tutorial on the crochet basics, what I'm going to do is yarn over, go through. So I've yarned over before this time, yarn over, go into my next stitch, pull it through, and then I'm going to yarn over again. I'm going to pull through 2 stitches, yarn over again, pull through 2 stitches. So that looks a bit complex, but once you're in a rhythm, so we've yarned over it, we've gone into our next stitch, then I've pulled it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is a double crochet. So yarn over, into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. Let's do that until the end. Then to finish it off, I snip the wool, I pull it through, and then with a needle, I'll thread my ends through. Thank you so much. That was Cait Senior from The Creative Tangent for Ideal Home Show. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow their YouTube channel for more crafty tips. Thank you.
Looking for appliances you can trust to help you create more than just meals? With KitchenAid, you get more than just great tools. You get a brand that's been supporting home cooks and food lovers for over a century. So whether you're mixing dough, blending smoothies, or experimenting with new recipes, KitchenAid products are built for versatility and for lasting performance. Everything from the iconic stand mixer to blenders and food processors is designed to help you express your creativity and get consistent results every single time. And with new colours like Flutter for 2025, you can add a personal touch to your space while enjoying innovation you can count on. Click the link in the description. KitchenAid. Classic style, endless possibilities.